Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request in Once Human. First of all, launch Open Once Human on your device and log in and make sure that you're inside your game. From your home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the little star kind of an icon, this one over here at the top right. In the expanded menu, click Friend. Now, select Request from the left-hand side. You'll then be able to see your friend request that you've received. To accept the friend request, tap the tick mark right next to one of the friend requests, and you'll then be able to accept friend request in the Once Human game. Now, go to the Contacts tab and under Friends, you'll be able to see the contacts that you've accepted requests from. So that's how you easily accept friend requests in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.